Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm back at you again with another tutorial video. So what happened recently, this is my 2012 Toyota Tacoma. So what's happening is the resistor is out on the blower motor, which is up underneath the dash on the passenger side. So the reason I know it's a resistor is because the AC does not want to work in any of the speeds except for in high. In high it turns on, turns off here, and off, nothing. AC's on, no flow, no flow, until it gets to high. So what I did is I ordered it on Amazon. I'm gonna link it in the description. So what comes with it is I went ahead and bought the plug just in case I needed the plug right there. It comes with some wire connectors just in case, but the part that I need looks like this. It's a board, it's got the plug right there, and so I'm going to replace that. I know it's easy to get to, it's just up under the dash under here, but I'm going to try to hold the camera, or at least position the camera to show how I change it. But if I can't, then you'll just have to take my word for it. But all right, let's move the camera down there. All right, so this is the best I can do here. So hopefully you can see this plug right here. It's got one screw here and one screw on the back side. And so we're going to take this plug out like that, and it's this right here. There's one screw there, one screw on the back. It's going to be hard to get to. I found a socket that would fit. It's a 7/32, so it might be pretty impossible to hold the camera and unscrew this thing. So I'm gonna stop it and then I'll pick up where I'm putting the plug back on. All right, everybody, so I got the new one in. It's right here. This front screw was pretty easy to get to. There's one right here on the back that was really tough. My the floor carpeting here was in the way, so I had to bend it down like this and get a little bitty ratchet up in there to take it off. But I got the new one back in, so I'm going to plug it in, plug it, make sure it's tight, and then let's get the keys and start it up, see if it works. All right, so there's off, quarter speed, half speed, 3/4, and high. Looks like we're back in business. So apparently this is a common problem with the Toyotas. So there's a quick $17 fix. That's with the plug, just in case. I'll save it just in case for some reason the plug goes out eventually too. But if you like this video, please give a comment, or if you have any questions, comment below. If you like what you see, don't be scared to subscribe, and we'll appreciate y'all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.